I have the scouts here, and they are going to help set up the event shelter for my event of the animal treatments, which I have tomorrow night and on Monday. Let's see what they can do here. Yeah, each one have, no, the table, the tent. Yes. Okay, here they go. They are bringing the event shelter. Okay, guys, here. You come here. You come here. You come here.
Oh, Sanda.
Yeah, there we have an intelligent one. Okay, here we are going with the event shelter. Lifting it up. We are lifting it over the wall. Yes, good. There we are going. Yes, there it is going. Here the event shelter. Here they come. Here they go, the Boy Scouts, which are helping me to create my event with the animal welfare here in Waikal. Okay, they're coming around the corner now. I'm very happy with these Boy Scouts. It's very much fun. These children are coming from about 50 kilometers away. One is the son of a friend of mine, Chandani. She brought all these Boy Scouts to do the work for me. Of course, it gives them good points. A mathematical problem here again, because the tent has to come inside and the gate is too small. Let us see how these boys are going to solve the problem. Yes, he is pushing it through. Okay. Okay, just push. Yes. Okay. So, and now we have the reception. Okay. Plastic. So today, the 25th of June 2012, we have the animal event with Dr. Roshan and his colleagues here in Kammala North in my house, where we are doing the neighborhood stray dogs and poor people dogs, castration, sterilization, vaccination, treatment of the skin, and it is all done by Dr. Roshan and his friends. As we can hear them, here are the candidates for the operations. Soon they will be sleeping and will be sterilized. Yeah, I hope we have a good time too. Not only a good time, I hope we can catch all the animals.
Good service?
Yes, yeah. That is what we want. So our first patients are coming. Oh gosh, the baby is 3 months old and is still drinking. Wow. Okay, the mommy now gets an operation, so she will never have babies anymore. And there's another one. Yeah, good. Oh, operations. I think he will become a rally driver very soon. There he goes to the gear. Amido goes, yes, he wants to change the gears to four-wheel drive. Huh, Amido? Okay. Okay, now you have to start driving. Come, Amido. Take it here.
Amido.
Go and drive now. Four-wheel drive. We put it in four-wheel drive. And now we are, oh my, he is going to be a technician. And here is my friend. He also came. We are together. We are going to catch the dogs and the cats. Did you have good breakfast?
Yeah, it was great.
Yeah?
Wow.
Okay. Lunch also.
Okay.
So this is the first dog to be operated in the event in Kammala North. My friends came, and this is all done on a voluntary basis. Dr. Roshan and his friends from Tapa. They're shaving the area where the operation will be done. This doggy was many times mommy, so from today will not be a mommy anymore. They are very careful with the animals and they make sure that the job will be properly done, even if we are here in a field clinic. So he is in a boarding school in Chilau, which I am paying for it because this boy is the only one who can carry Dominic for 5 minutes. So he must be something special. Now he is looking after this little cat, which is going to have the operation soon. Huh? Sitara? Hi. Many dogs and cats here. I'm very happy. People are coming with their animals. Here cats, here cats, there cats, with Sitara the cat. They're the first dog to be done. Big German Shepherd. This is going to be a sterilization of a female dog who had too many puppies in her life and will become now a very happy doggy without stress. I think he will become a veterinary doctor once. He loves animals. One father filming the operation of his doggy. There our first, this is Susie. Susie is the husband of my gypsy. He made her pregnant. Wow, Susie, now you will not make any cat pregnant anymore. Because Susie is a man, he is not a woman. So my cat Gypsy has 2 babies now. Yeah, Sitara, and he is a cat person for sure. All the cats love him. So why did you come here today?
To bring my dogs to operation. Better for them to not to go with the other wild dogs.
Yeah, and they don't fight.
Yeah.
This is the doggy in question. The father of my kittens. He gets now what he deserves. Roshan smiled. You know, Roshan was the one who told me, you know, no, not necessary for Gypsy to do operation. Let's wait. Then we waited, and what happened? She was pregnant.
But I didn't ask you to wait that long.
Yeah, and this is the father. Yes, who is now getting rid of his balls. Everybody very excited. Actually, there's a lot of cats coming in, more than dogs. The animal treatment is a big success. Many dogs and cats came to be sterilized, vaccinated and treated. I'm very, very happy. This gentleman likes the doggies very much and the cats. He brought several cats and doggies. These are all people from my neighborhood who brought their animals. I'm very happy. So
I love this. This is mother and daughter, isn't it?
Yeah.
With a cat in between. Hello, Mum. Look at your tail going. She's a good girl, isn't she?
He's very worried about his cat. Are you worried about your cat? Huh? Yeah. Worried about their animals who are recovering now. Of course, all the dogs are getting rabies injection, vaccination. A beautiful little puppy with the owner. Yeah. So this dog has done the operation. The owner is taking him home now, very happily. Are you happy? Oh, good. So you are going to look very good after your dog.
Thank you very much for your help.
No problem. You're welcome. And this is Kammala. She is looking after us food-wise. She is giving us breakfast and lunch. It is now almost 1 o'clock and they are working like crazy. I mean, one cat, one dog after another. It's like a line, everybody waiting. More and more people are coming and looking. More dogs coming. Uh-oh, making brrrr. And this is Sitara again with his uncle. And they are bringing a new addition for operation. They're coming by motorbikes, they are coming by tuk-tuks. I think this might be a cat. Pussycat? Cat. Okay, a cat in a bag. So this is a very wild cat, so Roshan doesn't see any other solution than to go through the bag and put it in a quiet sleep, ready for the operation. Operation done. Recovering. It smells of piss inside here. Rose with her husband and her doggy. She is the last patient for today. Hi, Rose. So, doggy done. Just came out of the operation. Just came out of the recovery. So, the last cats are being done. The end is near. Soon we will have lunch, which we all look forward to, which is being done by this lady. So, Roshan, how do you feel?
I feel really good because we had a great program here.
Yeah.
So, and we got a good response from the public.
Yes.
And it's really good, and it's a complete work.
Yeah.
So I'm happy.
Thank you. Oh, hi little baby girl. The finish of a nice day. Very successful day with Dr. Roshan Fernando Pule.
Anybody want anything to my garden now?